Hey Dennis, I just want to shoot this quick memo. So listen, just to refresh you. So W City is a 5-year partner of mine. Has basically come and bought some shares in ITS and giving it a very high share value. And because they're one of the biggest syndicators of travel content, their opinion matters a lot. And out of respect to Fraser, why he's doing this is he wants me to get financed, so I'll go create all these 35-minute overview videos for the top destinations, so then he can rent it to all of his existing parties and also make him different from, he's got a few competitors, and the fact that he's able to offer this professional video is, generates more business for him. So what I'm wondering about is, I've got my guy in Vegas pulling a Vegas overview together. I'm going to do Vancouver. If, as we discussed, if you can look at that grid, and I'll attach it there. And the question is I assume that it's not in 4K, which is okay because we just want to get something together. But just so you know, moving forward, I do want to have an overview in 4K because that's what the Travel TV app, one of the flavors of it is a 4K version. And I just want to let you know because I mean, in a perfect world, obviously you haven't been shooting 4K for a long period of time. In a 5-minute overview, you got a lot of shots in it. But moving forward, if I have had, you know, I guess what I'm saying is we get the HD one, we give it to Fraser, and I appreciate that. And if you can just feed me some 4K footage, and then I could have one of my guys, when I got a dead period, send him over to Hawaii, and he just goes to all those same locations, shoots it in 4K, gives you all the content, and, everything we shoot, we're going to give you a copy of, and then we can take it away. But I guess the purpose of this email, this voice thing, is to make you aware that on the short term, it's just the HD version, but no question, I need a 4K, we don't have any 4K at any other destination in the world. So for the Travel TV app, makes sense to do Oahu. And the other thing for your share position, I've got a little bit of time because we're not going to actually, we got like 3 weeks to a month. So what I'd like to do is see if you can work through this task with me, and if you're able to help me, which I know you're going to be, I'll at the end of the month have a good idea how much you help me, and then be able to pick a higher number on the share position. And we're going to treat you like an ITS person. So you're going to get some communications talking about improvements in the product. Like I sent one today about the way texting isn't an option on the call and stuff like that. Moving forward, we see you as a very good ally, and we're kind of getting rid of Mark because he's dead weight. And we see us using you as a champion that we can turn to the other visitor channels around the world and say, hey, talk to Dennis and he'll tell you how his P&L is doing better because he partnered with ITS. So there's a couple of values you can bring to us, and I want to compensate you for that too, Dennis. And one of the ways is going fishing at my log cabin on the west coast here. But anyway, that's all good. So short term, let's look at that grid and give me some footage for that, and we'll figure out a share deal. Thanks.